It's Tim from Gas Junkies here with the 2003 Sonoma. I'm going to show you guys how to remove a radio and put in a new one. First thing you're going to want to do is there's 4 screws down here. 1, 2, 3, and the 4th one's down here. It's kind of hard to see. And then there's one up here on the gauge, where the gauge cluster is. Once you remove all those, you can drop this down. They're all 7mm. That'll come down. And then there was 2 more screws. Right here, there's one there. And then one right there. Once you get all those out, you can pull this off. The clips are just holding it in. That's out now. You can always put your key in and drop this down and give you a little more room here. It's a little difficult to do with one hand, but then as you can see, your radio, there's going to be 4 screws holding it in. 1, 2, actually 3, sorry. 1, 2, and then the 3rd one. Let me get them out and then I'll show you guys. Alright guys, and what I actually did was lower the steering wheel a little bit. And then there was just this one plug, because I do have a 2-wheel drive S10. And it goes in for the airbag. I just unplugged that. And now I can get to the radio. I mean, you can remove this all the way if you wanted to. There's another wire over here, but it's out of my way, so. But now I'm going to take the radio. Alright guys, I'm running out of daylight here, but I got the radio installed. I'm getting ready to put all the plastic trim back on. I actually used this installation kit here. And it basically bolted right up. Holes were exactly, so it fit good. Now we'll see what it looks like after I get all the trim back on. Alright guys, and there's the finished product. I think it does look pretty good. Hold the trim back on. And so, thank you guys for watching. I hope this helps out some people out there. And make sure to like and subscribe for more.